Imagine a world where your organization seamlessly integrates quality, environmental, and safety standards into one cohesive system. The process approach is the key to achieving this, and it's simpler than you might think. Let's dive into how you can combine ISO 9001, 14001, and 45001 into a single streamlined process. First, let's break down the basics of ISO 9001. This standard focuses on meeting customer requirements and enhancing satisfaction through a clear mapping of your processes. Picture a flowchart. It starts with inputs, moves through the production process, and ends with outputs that fulfill customer needs. This is where the magic begins. By understanding how work flows, you can identify areas for improvement and ensure that every step aligns with customer expectations. Now, let's layer in ISO 14001. Every process in your organization has environmental aspects. Think energy consumption, waste generation, and emissions. For instance, consider a packaging line. It consumes energy, which is an environmental aspect, and it generates emissions, which are the impacts. By tagging these aspects to each step in your flow chart, you create a more comprehensive view of how your operations affect the environment. Next, we integrate ISO 45001, which focuses on occupational health and safety. Each step in your process can also present hazards, like moving machinery or noise levels. These hazards lead to risks, such as potential worker injuries. By incorporating safety considerations into your existing flowchart, you're not just looking at quality and environmental impacts, you're also ensuring the well-being of your employees. This holistic view is crucial for creating a safe and efficient workplace. Now, let's visualize the combined process map. Imagine a final flowchart that's color-coded: blue for quality inputs and outputs, green for environmental aspects and impacts, and red for hazards and risks. This is what Toyota refers to as their triple-layer process map. It's a powerful tool that allows for integrated audits, ensuring that all three standards are addressed without redundancy. Documentation is the next step. You need a clear way to capture all this information. A single form can be used to document quality controls, environmental aspects, and safety measures. By utilizing a comprehensive template, you streamline your documentation process and reduce the risk of missing critical information. Let's look at a real-world example. A manufacturer in Dubai faced the challenge of managing separate lists for quality checks, waste metrics, and safety inspections. By adopting this integrated approach, they created a single work instruction that encompassed all three areas. The result? A staggering 70% reduction in paperwork. This not only saved time, but also improved compliance and efficiency. As you consider implementing this process approach, think about the challenges you might face. Identifying environmental aspects and impacts, mapping hazards and risks, and documenting controls can seem daunting. But with the right tools and mindset, you can simplify these tasks and create a robust, integrated management system. By embracing this process approach, you're not just meeting compliance requirements, you're enhancing your organization's overall performance. This method allows you to eliminate duplicate work, streamline operations, and ultimately create a safer and more sustainable workplace.